if your bookmarks bar looks anything like mine, or maybe a little bit worse, or if you're not using bookmarks at all, this tutorial is going to walk you through some tips and tricks for how to get organized. If you've never used bookmarks before, this is just like a bookmark in a book. It's a way to quickly access a website, a document in your drive, anything that has a URL. So to quickly bookmark a website, or this happens to be something from my drive, the quickest way to do that is to use the star icon in your address bar. So you'll just select the star and select done. We'll talk about these options in just a couple of minutes. Now, as you bookmark sites, you're going to start to get a list. So only so many can exist on my bookmarks bar. So you'll have that drop-down menu that has anything that you add beyond that. One thing that you can do is you can drag and drop and order them. So I'm going to drag the ones that I use more frequently to the front. So I know I use my Desmos calculator, my document camera, and annotate every day. Now, to save space, another thing that you can do is if you right-click and select Edit, deleting the name of that bookmark will leave just the icon, and that's a great space saver for those websites that have a easily recognized icon. So I'll do that for my more commonly used sites. So they're all right here and I know what they represent. For the other sites that I don't use as often, to save space here, I can use what's called a folder. So to create folders for my bookmarks bar, if you select the three dots in the top right corner, you hover over bookmarks and you go to Bookmarks Manager. Here you can do all of the same things that we did earlier. You can drag and reorganize, you can edit and remove the title. But one thing you can do here that you couldn't do just from the bookmarks bar is to add folders. So I'm going to add a folder here called Math. So if you teach different subjects, I also have some resources that are just professional sites. So if I'm going to be absent, or I have Oracle as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add that folder too. I also have some science sites, it looks like, and some tech tools. So you can add as many folders as you want. Then to organize your bookmarks into these folders, all you're going to do is drag and drop them into the folder. So now that I've organized all of my remaining not as frequently used sites or bookmarks, now all I have left are the folders. So if you look up here in my bookmarks bar, you can see the GCS bookmarks, so EdCloud, Canvas. I have my icons that I use every day. So I've got my calculator, my document camera site, and Annotate as well. Then all other sites are going to be arranged in those folders as drop downs, which makes them much easier to find in a lot less time. Now you can also drag those folders and rearrange them in whichever order you want. You can also choose to nest a folder. That's what's happening here as well. So I hope you found this helpful. Happy organizing.